Hello everyone, Shabir Ansari is here. Welcome to my new video. Please subscribe my channel. Today we received a complaint that the sewage is overflowing and it is entering in the children's park. And the children who visit this park and play there, it was a very odd situation for them because a very bad smell is there. So we visited the site and found this manhole level was down and this span was blocked. Today I'm gonna share with you a quite embarrassing situation which we have faced today, that our country flag we have found in the drain and it was mixed with the garbage or blockage which blocked the sewer line. Sewage was overflowing from this manhole and it was creating a mess everywhere. We are going to use a conventional method to to unclog this sewer line by using a steel rod which is used to unclog the sewer lines, drains. There are also many other instruments which are used in conventional method like bamboos and PVC pipes. Steel bar is bended from right top corner. It's about 170 to 160 degree, which intact with the blockage which is inside the sewer line, and remove it from sewer line. It is the manhole which is overflowing very badly. The previous one, its manhole cover is removed so that when the sewer line got functional, it can the sewage which is overflowing can easily go and enter back in this manhole. Now the steel bar is pulling back, and this blockage uh, till now found from the sewer pipes. Now staff will remove this uh, blockage from the steel bars and make steel bar again straight and put it back to the sewer line again. Staff is uh, removing again the steel bar is stuck, and it's removing by forcefully, and here we go. They removed this blockage from the sewer line. This time, after removing the steel bar, the sewer line got functional, and the country flag was mixed with this garbage, this blockage. I didn't notice that, so I couldn't make a closer shot. And here we go. The sewer line got functional, and the sewage going back into the manhole. There is a whirlpool. And this is the
Okay.
situation, embarrassing situation I was talking about, that our country flag found in the blockage. The passage is clear now, and its passengers and traffic can go smoothly. This blockage removed from sewer line. That's all for today. Thanks everyone for watching.